All right, introducing you all to the Xometry Workcenter. This is where you're going to be able to manage your work from both Xometry and your off-platform orders. So let's get started with the onboarding screens. So as part of onboarding, you'll be able to add your company name. You'll be able to add your Workcenter URL. The URL is what will appear in your navigation bar, and it will be custom to whatever your shop's name is. Also set up your Workcenter with a custom logo for your shop. We will also provide you with a logo if you do not have a logo. You will also be able to add your team members to your Workcenter. If you already have a Xometry partner account, we will bring in your team members from that account, but you can also feel free to add or remove users directly from this page. All right, so that should complete all of your onboarding steps.